One of the cool things about the 2020 and up Can-Am Spyder RT models is that they made the rear passenger floorboards vertically adjustable right from the factory. Well, the team over at Showchrome has designed extension brackets so that you'll now have the ability to adjust your floorboards horizontally as well, allowing your passenger to stretch out their legs a bit more on that next road trip. These extensions are constructed from billet aluminum and powder-coated black to blend with the factory plastic body panels. They're 100% bolt-on and sold as a pair for both the left and right side passenger floorboards, and includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Now allow us to walk you through the install on our Shop 2024 RT Limited.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Rotate your floorboard up so that you can remove the bolt holding it in place using a 13mm socket with ratchet. Please note that the factory bolt will not be reused. Grab the corresponding extension and align it so that the two holes at the end of the extension align with any of the two mounting holes on the bike. Choose the option that's best suited for your passenger's leg length. Add some removable thread lock to two of the shorter bolts included with your kit and thread them into the mounting holes finger tight to start. Then use a 13mm socket with ratchet to go back through and snug down your hardware. Now grab your factory floorboard and determine which of the three mounting hole options is best for your passenger's comfort level. Add some removable thread lock to one of the longer bolts supplied with the kit. Then align the elongated mounting tab on the back of the floorboard with the slot you selected and thread in the bolt finger tight to start. Then snug it down with a 12mm socket with ratchet. Repeat this installation process for the passenger floorboard extension on the other side of the bike.
And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, if passenger comfort is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today to grab a set of billet aluminum passenger floorboard extensions for your Spyder RT. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.